Okay, now we're going to solve this problem. The problem says the opening in the soccer goal is 24 feet wide and 8 feet high. So its area is 24 feet times 8 feet. It is equal to 192 square feet. What is its area in square meters to three significant digits? So this is actually an exercise in which we have to have an equivalence. So we can transform that square feet into square meters. We're going to use the most amount of digits that we could use, and then we're going to eliminate the rest of the digits that are not three significant digits, because we're going to just to take into account that amount of digits. So 192 square feet, we're going to multiply that in order to eliminate the feet units and have have the value in meters. So the calculators usually bring that information, so we just have to have an equivalence. So it would be shift and this bottom. This information, the conversion number, usually is given in the case of the calculator, so you can notice the number for you to get the conversion that you actually need. So I already know that the number is 03, so I can transform feet into meters, and I'm going to write here the amount of feet, and the solution gives me the amount of meters. So it is actually given by the 0.3048. But what I have to do is that I have to eliminate this square from this spot. So I have to get to the power the whole division, so I can get rid of this square, because if I don't do it, I'll get a wrong result. This actually works for maybe feet to the third power and everything, because if I have feet to the third power, I would have to write here a 3. This is the easiest way and the more reliable way for you to get the results correctly. So I'm going to write this down on the calculator. Times 0.3048 and 1 to the second power. This is equal to 17.8373. I'm not going to write the whole number, because now we're going to do the second part of the exercise. What is its area to three significant digits? So the significant digits that we have here are these 3, and I have to take into account this last digit, because as I've been explaining in the last videos, if I have a number which is, for example, 1.51, and the professor or the exercise tell me that I have to take into account the first the first two significant digits, then I have to be aware of this last digit, because if the digit is between 1 to 4, then I have to keep this same number. So the answer would be 1.5. But if the number is between 5 to 9, like for example 1.55, then I have to approximate the number that is behind the last one to the next one. So the answer would be 1.6. And because of this reason, I have a tree which is between this gap, and I just have to maintain the same number, 17.8 square meters. That is the result.